What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Backpack by quinn-xcii. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in D standard tuning, which means you're going to tune your entire guitar down one step from E standard down to D standard. It is one little riff and chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song. If you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as a link to a free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They are there for you. So the guitar riff that plays throughout the song, you're going to start with your index finger on the first fret of the A string, and you're going to palm mute that twice. So put the fleshy part of your hand here on the bridge of the guitar to where it gives you this punchy muted sound. You don't want it ringing out, but you also don't want it too quiet. So find that sweet spot where it's nice and punchy. You're gonna do that down twice. And then you're gonna be playing the second fret on the G string in between these notes. So, and that's going to be open. You're not going to palm mute that. So that's the first little chord there, the first little part of the riff. Now do the same thing, just on the low E string on the first fret. Down twice, and then G string on the second fret open. Do the exact same thing on the third fret of the A string. This is a C note. So the third fret of the A string, two down strums. Then that open G, second fret on the G, but you're playing it open instead of muting it. Now, open D string twice with palm muting. And here we're doing this little lick before we start all over. So what that is 2 on G, hammer onto 3, pull off to 2, pull off to open, 3 on the D string. So that looks like. So very slowly from the top, it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.